All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to use a Tesla charger and keep your EV powered up effortlessly. 1. Locate a charging port. First, find your Tesla's charging port. It's typically on the left rear side near the taillight. Tap on it and it'll open automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from the touchscreen or your Tesla app. 2. Grab the charging cable. If you're at a Tesla supercharger, grab the cable provided. For home charging, use your Tesla wall connector or mobile connector. 3. Plug it in. Align the connector with your Tesla's charging port and push it in until you hear a click. The port will light up, indicating the charging status. Blue means it's detecting the connection. Green means it's charging. Flashing green shows it's charging at full speed. 4. Monitor charging. Use your Tesla app or the touchscreen to check charging progress, the estimated time to completion, and current battery percentage. 5. Unplug the charger. Once charging is complete or you're ready to leave, press the button on the charging handle or use the app to unlock the charging port. Then pull the cable out gently and close the charging port. 6. Drive off fully charged. That's it. Whether you're using a home charger or a Tesla supercharger, your car is now ready to hit the road with a fresh charge. And there you have it, Tesla fam. Be sure to check the link in the description for more tips to upgrade your Tesla experience.